Hey guys, welcome back to the next video, and in this video I will show you some important information about taking help. So whenever we are doing a coding within Dash or within Plotly, you will be confused about what are all the information that is available over here, like with this HTML or with Dash core component, which we will be using heavily in the upcoming video. So how to get this information, like html.div, right? Or you have a lot of different component, like if I say html dot and press tab, you will see all of these acronym, address, area, and a lot of different if I just scroll it down. So well, very easily what you can do is you can just type help and say html dot, let's say div, for example. html.div, shift enter or control enter. So here is the entire information about the help on the div class div in the module built-ins, a div component, keyword argument, what are all the keyword argument, children is optional, id is optional, and underscore click is optional. All of these information and these parameters like style, it can have tab index, it can have title, it can have, and some more information about what are all the methods that are available that you can access. So html.div is basically that you can access. Another thing is dcc.components, like drop down we will going to discuss, input we will going to discuss, right? All of those components, you can basically access. For example, drop down, very common one for a selection of value. So what it says is basically a drop down component is an interactive component, drop down element for selecting one or more items, the value of the labels of the drop down, and then you can just go ahead and read it. Ideally it is nothing but the just simple drop down which you will see in any web page from which you can select the value. Shows what are the arguments which are given over here, available events through which you can fire some sort of an event and get the desired output. So that's how you can very easily access the help related to each and every method and function associated with these dash core component and dash HTML component. And like I just said, if you want to see how many different part that is attached to DCC, now you just press dot and press shift, tab, then you can just go ahead and access it. Yeah, but on the mouse, with the mouse it's not accessible, but when I press the scroll, it is going up and down. So that's very quickly I wanted to show you before moving ahead how you can take help on any of the element of these libraries, so that if you are somewhere confused, because it may happen with me that I may not be able to properly explain some element, then how you can take help will going to be very useful for you. So that's pretty much it in this video about taking help, and I will meet you in the new video with a new topic.